Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Go So Beautiful. My name's Becky and today I'm going to share my plans, my sewing plans for the rest of November and December. So keep watching and you'll be inspired to make your plans. Alright, so first thing I'm going to make, and I've already got it cut out and I've been talking about this for a while, is, if you've watched my videos and before, you've seen this, but if you haven't, this is the Willow wrap dress from Love Notions, and I've been talking about making this for a while now, and I finally got around to cutting it out. It has 5 sleeve options. You can make it short, elbow length, 3/4 length, long sleeved, and you can make a flutter sleeve. You can also adjust the neckline, and it has a maternity option if you would like to make this if you're pregnant. And it also has an option to put a little ruffle on the neckline, and you could make it a dress or a peplum. So I am making a dress with 3/4 length sleeves, and I probably will make the higher neckline, and I'm using this fabric which I purchased from Joann's last year. This is a double brushed poly. It's real pretty, sage green, lovely fall colors. So that is coming really soon. The next thing I want to make is another thing that's been on my list, and I kind of put it off, but I decided I really need to have this in my wardrobe, so I'm going to go ahead and make it. And it is McCall's M6802, and I am going to make View B, which is a hooded longer length cardigan. This is unlined and sized for stretch knits, and I bought this beautiful black ponte knit from Fabric Mart back at the beginning of October. It was on sale and I got it for about $5 a yard, and it is really nice quality fabric. That's a very versatile piece that'll go with a lot of things in my wardrobe. Next on my list is a collaboration, and I really can't tell you about it because I want to wait until my collaborator is finished with her garment, and then we will both reveal that and share a video about it with a review. But one little hint is that it is a bottom piece. I'm not going to tell you what it is, so you'll just have to watch. But we will probably do that reveal in December. The next thing on my list is something for the I'm So Festive challenge. This is a challenge on Instagram being hosted by Kim from Kim Gaddy Sews and Delilah from Something Delilah. And the challenge is to make something out of a novelty fabric or festive fabric for yourself or anyone in your family. It does need to be a garment, and I've decided to make, one thing I want to make is this Monroe Turtleneck, and this is from Tessuti Fabrics. It's a free pattern, and I've made this before. It's just a really comfortable turtleneck that has, it's kind of a boxy type feel. And I have some Christmas fabric which I just recently ordered and have, right now it's in the wash. Actually, it's in the dryer, so I can't show that to you right now, but it is a red Christmas fabric with Christmas trees, and it's a nice knit. I may make some pajamas with that as well. Which leads me to the next item, which is a pair of pajamas. Now that it's gotten colder around here, I pulled out my winter pajamas and discovered that I only have a few things that fit, and I like to have 3 or 4 pairs of pajamas to choose from for each season. So I am going to make Simplicity, this is what I think I'm going to make, Simplicity 10892, and as you can see, it's a traditional pajama pattern with a button-up shirt and notched collar. I will make mine long sleeved. It also has elastic waisted pants with a faux fly on it, and I have this really nice brushed cotton flannel plaid. I love plaid for pajamas, and I think this will make up very pretty. Now, I said I'm hoping to make it. I may change my mind because I'm not sure how I feel about making this notched collar. I might want to make something a little bit simpler. So we'll see what happens when it comes time to make that. The next thing I have on my list are some Christmas projects, which I will be making videos about. I went through my box of Christmas stash projects and pulled out several things that I felt like I could get finished before Christmas. And the first thing I've got on that list is some Christmas stockings. I bought this pretty plaid quilted fabric as a remnant, and I decided I would make some stockings out of it, only I never finished them. And I think, well, my plan is to use this on one side, use the plaid for one side, and then this green velveteen for the other. And like I said, I will make a video about that so y'all can see how I do that. Stockings aren't hard to make, but if you're new to sewing, you may want to check that out. Other things that I'm going to make for my Christmas projects include a mantle cover, and I'll show you a picture of one that I've made in the past. I don't have, well, I'm not exactly sure what material I'm going to make it out of, but I do have some in my stash. So I made this mantle cover just to add a nice decorative touch. We have a big cedar mantle, and I thought it would look pretty. I would like to coordinate that with a tree skirt. And again, here's a picture of a tree skirt I've made in the past that is the same, made in the same fabric as the mantle cover. So I'll make videos about those also, and you can check those out to see how I make them. The final Christmas project I have is to make a table runner. I do have some table runners that I have purchased, and I'm just kind of tired. I get tired of things. I don't know about you, but sometimes I want to mix things up. And I found these little quilting squares that I had cut out of some fabric many, many years ago, probably 30 years ago, back in the 80s. And I never did anything with them. So I thought I should take these and make some kind of quilted table. I probably have enough to make a table runner. So those are my Christmas projects, and in addition to that, I would also like to make another Monroe turtleneck out of this blue and white striped double brush poly that I got as a remnant. And I like, again, I need some more winter style tops, and this Monroe turtleneck is quick and easy to make up, so I think that will come out really nice. And then the last thing I want to make the last thing on my list, I may make more if I can, but I bought this beautiful quilted, it looks like it's quilted cable knit, fabric from fabric.com, and I originally bought it to make the Marlowe top from Marlowe cardigan from, is it True Bias? I can't remember exactly who, but anyway, the dress I decided I want to make a dress because I have enough fabric, and I thought this will make a nice, comfortable dress, warm and snuggly. And I've got this pattern, New Look N6632. And what I like about it is it's got an A-line empire waist, and you can make it with or without that cowl neck. So here are the line drawings, and I will probably make, well, the dress actually has, the cowl neck is actually separate, and I don't know if I like that or not. I may go ahead and attach it, but I think this will make something really pretty in that blue cable knit fabric. So those are my plans for the next 6 weeks. I made this list because, like Zig Ziglar says, if you aim at nothing, you'll hit it every time. And I've been trying really hard to focus on what I need in my wardrobe and what I want, and not just waiting until I come down to the sewing room to decide what I want to sew. Sometimes that's okay, but I think it's better to have a plan. So this is my plan. I may change my mind for some of the things, but I really want to try and get all of this accomplished. And I don't know if I'm going to get it all done or not, but at least I've got a plan. So how do you all like to sew? Do you make a plan and plan ahead, or do you wait until you walk down into your sewing room and then decide what to sew? I think there's times when it's appropriate to do both, but for now I need to get these things done. So thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos. I really appreciate all your comments, and it really encourages me to make more videos so I can encourage and inspire you. And that's really what my channel is all about. So thanks for watching again. I hope you have a wonderful day, and go sew beautiful. Bye-bye.